The Iberian Peninsula, a land of diverse landscapes and rich history. A sunny land touched by many old civilizations, from the Phoenicians and Romans to the Visigoths and Moors. During the Middle Ages, a new power grew in southern Iberia, the Islamic Emirate of Cordoba, which later became the Caliphate of Cordoba. This period marked a golden age of prosperity and cultural flourishing. This civilization, called Al-Andalus, thrived for many years, becoming a beacon of knowledge and tolerance in a time of widespread conflict. It was a center of learning, art, and culture. Scholars from all over the world came to study in its libraries, and its artists and architects created works of stunning beauty. At its heart was Granada, a city that would come to symbolize the splendor and sophistication of Al-Andalus. This city, nestled at the foot of the Sierra Nevada mountains, was meant to be the Jewel of Al-Andalus. Granada's location was important, not just for its beauty, but for its strategic significance. It overlooked fertile plains and controlled important trade routes, making it a valuable prize. The city's wealth and power grew as it became a hub of commerce and culture. In the 13th century, as the Christian Reconquista gained power, Granada became the last Islamic stronghold in Iberia. The city stood as a symbol of resistance and resilience against the advancing Christian forces. During this time under the Nasrid dynasty, the city built its most famous landmark, the Alhambra Palace. This magnificent fortress and palace complex stands as a testament to the artistic and architectural achievements of the Nasrid rulers. The Alhambra, with its intricate designs, lush gardens, and serene courtyards, remains one of the most iconic symbols of Islamic art and architecture in the world. It is a lasting legacy of the rich and diverse history of Al-Andalus. The Alhambra Palace, meaning the Red Fortress in Arabic, is more than just a palace. It shows the skill and artistry of the Nasrid dynasty. High on the Al-Sabika hill, the Alhambra was designed as both a luxurious home and a strong fortress. Its location, overlooking the city and surrounding plains, gave a clear view of approaching enemies. The Alhambra's defenses were strong. Tall walls with strategically placed towers surrounded the complex. These walls, made of packed earth and stone, could withstand even the strongest attacks. But the Alhambra was more than just a military fort. It was a beautiful place, designed to show the splendor and sophistication of Nasrid culture. The Alhambra, with its beautiful gardens, courtyards, and fountains, was designed as an earthly paradise. But creating this paradise in the dry landscape of southern Spain presented a challenge. Water, essential for any civilization, was especially important for the Alhambra. It wasn't just for survival, it was a key part of the palace's design and meaning. The Nasrid engineers had to find a way to bring water from the Douro River, flowing below, up to the Alhambra. This was difficult. The height difference between the river and the palace was significant. Gravity, the force that controls how water flows, seemed to be working against them. The solution to the Alhambra's water problem showed how clever the Nasrid engineers were: the Royal Canal. This 5-mile-long channel carved into the hillside carried water from the Douro River to the General Life Gardens above the Alhambra. Building the canal was amazing medieval engineering. To keep the water flowing steadily, the engineers built weirs, sluices, and aqueducts. These structures, carefully designed to control the water flow, made sure the precious liquid reached the palace. The Royal Canal was not just a functional marvel, it was a symbol of the Nasrid dynasty's power and skill. Section 5. Mastering the flow. Getting water to the Alhambra was just the first step. The Nasrid engineers had clever ways to control the water throughout the palace. Using gravity and understanding how water works, they created a network of channels, pipes, and cisterns. These worked together to deliver water everywhere in the Alhambra. Water flowed through clay pipes, carefully placed under courtyards and inside walls. These pipes, connected to the main channels, brought water to fountains, baths, and gardens. Valves and gates controlled the flow, making sure each part of the palace got the right amount of water. Section 6. The Dance of Water and Time. The Alhambra's water system wasn't just functional. The Nasrid engineers understood that water was beautiful and symbolic. They used it in the palace's design to delight the senses and inspire awe. Fountains, important in Islamic architecture, weren't just decorations. They were carefully engineered to create beautiful displays of water and sound. One example is the Court of the Lions. Its famous fountain with 12 marble lions spouting water was a marvel of engineering. Each lion released water at a different speed, creating a changing pattern of jets. This mix of water, light and sound made the courtyard a magical oasis. Section 7. A Symphony of Senses. The Alhambra's water system wasn't just beautiful to look at, it engaged all the senses. The sound of water was everywhere, from the quiet murmur of fountains to the trickle of channels in the gardens. The cool water offered relief from the Andalusian heat, and the scent of jasmine and orange blossoms filled the air. The use of water went beyond beauty and comfort. The Alhambra's thermal baths, filled with hot spring water, showed the Nasrid's understanding of hygiene and relaxation. These baths, with their beautiful tiles and high ceilings, offered a luxurious escape. They showed the Alhambra's focus on well-rounded design. Section 8. An Enduring Legacy. The Alhambra, a majestic palace and fortress complex located in Granada, Spain, stands as a testament to the ingenuity and vision of the Nasrid dynasty. Its intricate architecture and advanced engineering have captivated the world for centuries. Centuries later, the Alhambra's water system still amazes people. Visitors from around the globe come to witness the marvel of its fountains and the serene beauty of its gardens. The water system, designed to harness the natural flow of water, continues to function as it did hundreds of years ago. It shows the skill and artistry of the Nasrid engineers. Their ability to blend form and function is evident in every detail, from the ornate carvings to the precise alignment of water channels. These engineers were not only builders, but also artists, creating a harmonious balance between nature and human ingenuity. While the palace has been restored and changed over time, the main parts of the water system are still there. Restoration efforts have aimed to preserve the original design and functionality, ensuring that future generations can appreciate this marvel of medieval engineering. The Royal Canal, still flowing with water from the Sierra Nevada, waters the General Life Gardens and the Alhambra's fountains. This continuous flow of water is a lifeline for the lush gardens and the intricate water features that define the Alhambra's landscape. The Alhambra's water system isn't just a historical curiosity, it is a living, breathing example of sustainable engineering that has stood the test of time. The principles used in its design are still relevant today, offering insights into efficient water management. It's a working example of sustainable engineering. Modern engineers and historians study the Alhambra's water system to understand how ancient techniques can be applied to contemporary challenges. The use of gravity and natural water sources minimizes the need for external energy, making it an eco-friendly solution. The system's use of gravity and natural water sources offers valuable lessons for how we manage water today. By studying these ancient methods, we can develop more sustainable practices that reduce our environmental impact and conserve precious resources. In a world facing water shortages and climate change, the Alhambra's ancient wisdom is especially important. Its enduring legacy serves as a reminder that innovative solutions to our most pressing problems can often be found in the past. By looking back, we can move forward with greater knowledge and respect for the natural world. Section 9. Whispers of Ancient Ingenuity. The Alhambra, a majestic fortress and palace complex in Granada, Spain, stands as a testament to the brilliance of ancient engineering and artistry. Its walls have witnessed centuries of history, and its stones whisper tales of a bygone era. The Alhambra, with its intricate water system, is more than just a palace. It is a marvel of medieval engineering, showcasing the advanced understanding of hydraulics by its creators. The water channels, fountains and pools were not only for decoration but served practical purposes, providing cooling and irrigation. It's a message from the past, showing the lasting power of human ingenuity. The engineers and architects of the Alhambra were ahead of their time, blending functionality with beauty in a way that continues to inspire awe. Their work is a reminder of what can be achieved with vision and skill. As we admire the Alhambra's fountains, we are not just looking at water features, we are witnessing the culmination of knowledge and creativity. Each fountain is a piece of art, meticulously designed to create a sense of tranquility and harmony. The gardens, with their lush greenery and vibrant flowers, are a testament to the Moors' love for nature and their ability to create paradises on earth. The baths, filled with crystal-clear water, were places of relaxation and socialization, reflecting the sophisticated lifestyle of the Alhambra's inhabitants. We remember that even in difficult times, humans can create beauty and wonder. The Alhambra was built during a period of political turmoil, yet it stands as a beacon of hope and resilience. Its creators overcame challenges to leave behind a legacy that continues to inspire. The Alhambra's legacy reminds us to look to the past for inspiration as we face today's challenges. By studying the ingenuity of ancient civilizations, we can find solutions to modern problems. The Alhambra teaches us that sustainable and harmonious relationships with nature are possible. It shows how human ingenuity can create sustainable and harmonious relationships with nature. The water management system of the Alhambra is a prime example of this, demonstrating how ancient engineers worked with the natural landscape to create a self-sustaining environment. The Alhambra is a beacon of hope, a symbol of what humanity can achieve when we work together with nature rather than against it. As the sun sets and the lights of the Alhambra glow, we are reminded of the enduring beauty and wisdom of the past. It is a reminder that even with difficulties, humanity can create beauty and wonder that lasts through time. The Alhambra's architectural beauty has stood the test of time, captivating the hearts and minds of people across generations. May its legacy continue to inspire future generations. As children and families visit the Alhambra today, and modern architects draw inspiration from its designs, we see the enduring impact of this ancient marvel. The whispers of ancient ingenuity continue to echo, guiding us towards a future where beauty, functionality, and sustainability coexist.